How to give feedback at work. So the GreenTech presentation had just finished. Everyone was tired but relieved. The client said, "Great slides and thanks for staying late yesterday." An hour later, John, the manager, called the team together. "Good job, everyone." The client was happy overall. He began smiling. Then he added, "They did mention that our replies were sometimes slow. Let's try to respond within a day next time." Peter looked uneasy. May waited. John continued, "It's not a big problem. We've improved a lot since last month's apology and reminder. Let's keep it up." The mood lightened. Peter said, "I'll set alerts for future emails." John nodded. "Perfect. That's what feedback is for." Now let's pause the story. John, the boss, gave balanced feedback. Praise plus suggestion. He said something good first, then one area to improve, and finished with encouragement. That's balance that will keep communication positive and professional. Say something good first, then one area of improvement, and then finish up with an encouragement. To give feedback politely, use this simple pattern: positive plus suggestion plus encouragement, as you have just heard from the story. Another example here: you explained the idea clearly, positive, but next time add one example, suggestion. Or, "I liked your report. Perhaps make the summary shorter." So positive and then an improvement, a suggestion to improve. "You handled the call well. Next time speak a little slower." That's a suggestion after the positive feedback. So focus on the action, not the person, not you or you. You should improve, you should speak slower, just the action. It's better to say, "The report was late," rather than "You were late, you were careless." So describe the person. No, so describe the problem. Don't label the person with the problem. So the grammar tip here is use next time plus a verb, something to do, a suggestion. Next time, check the figures first. Next time, speak a little slower. Next time, make your summary a little shorter. When someone gives you feedback, how should you respond professionally? Avoid defending yourself immediately. Listen, thank them, and show that you're willing to improve. So, some useful responses are: "Thank you for the feedback. I appreciate your advice. That's helpful. I'll work on it. I understand. I'll plan earlier next time. Thank you for your feedback. I'll speak a little slower next time. Thank you for your feedback. I will make the summary shorter next time." So, with the response, you can be more personal. "Thank you. I will. I will improve. I will speak slower. I will make the summary shorter." So, these phrases show maturity and respect. They turn criticism into learning. Compare this. You need to fix your communication. To this, let's try to reply faster next time. That's calm, that's team focused. Both mean the same thing, but the second keeps cooperation alive. So, softening phrases are like, "It would be better if." if you replied faster next time. Maybe you could reply faster next time. Maybe you could. Let's improve by. Let's improve its cooperation together. You and I. Let's improve the situation, not the person. The situation that the person has control over. Let's improve. Let's improve by replying faster next time. Some short practice now. Say with me. Good work on the report. Next time, check the numbers carefully. And the reply? Thanks, I'll do that. That's short. Simple, short, respectful. Another? I liked your presentation. Maybe shorten the opening slide. Your reply? Appreciate that feedback. I will take note. I will shorten my opening slide next time. So just short sentences, strong professional tone. That's business English at work. Feedback is not blame. It's communication for growth, for improvement. So in English speaking workplaces, people expect feedback that's specific and calm, not emotional. It's not you failed, you are late, you did this, you did that. It's let's make this part better. So May and Peter learned the lesson slowly. In the last three lessons, the apology, the reminder, and this one, the feedback, they're all linked together. So you can watch them all together in series. May and Peter learned that lesson slowly. So from the apology, the reminder, and in this episode, the feedback, they discovered that clear, honest words, even when they stink a little, build a strong team. Listen to the three episodes in one go. They are a series. They are of the one story of May and Peter and John. And you will strengthen and improve your professional and business English greatly.